Case 3 is quadratic factors that cannot be factorized. Let's do example 8. Express the following in partial fractions. Note that the highest power in denominator is bigger than the highest power in numerator. Therefore, this is a proper fraction. And hence, we can jump straight to step 2. In step 2, don't forget to make sure that your denominator is completely factorized. Here we have x squared plus 2, so let's use our calculator. We can see that both values of x using calculator are complex numbers. Therefore, this means that we cannot factorize x squared plus 2. What about x? It is a non-repeated linear. So now we need to write the right-hand side. For the non-repeated linear, it's just something over x. So what do we put in the denominator here? Linear always use constant. So it is just a. What about x squared plus 2? Since this is a quadratic that cannot be factorized, in the numerator, you always need to put something x plus something. So since we already have a, we're gonna put bx plus c. Once we're done with the right-hand side, we need to eliminate denominator by multiplying everything with x times x squared plus 2. So just be careful whenever you have quadratic that cannot be factors. When you times this with x times x squared plus 2, you eliminate x squared plus 2 only, so you're left with bx plus c times with x. So that's why bx plus c has bracket, and then it times with x. And this is our new equation. So how many unknowns do we have? 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, we need 3x, which comes from our denominator. Let everything equal to 0. So you're gonna get x equal to 0. And the other one is x squared plus 2 equal to 0. And we already know that this is quadratic that cannot be factorized. So we don't have any value of x from x squared plus 2. But we need 3 values of x. And we only have 1x. So we need 2 other values of x. Let's say positive 1 and negative 1. So substitute all 3 values into our equations. And a is 3 over 2. Zero is 3a plus b plus c. But don't forget a is 3 over 2. Our first equation is negative 9 over 2 equal to b plus c. A is 3 over 2. And hence, the second equation is 3 over 2 equal to b minus c. So solve simultaneously to find b and c. B is negative 3 over 2. And hence C is negative 3. Substitute C, B, and A back into our partial fractions. And that is for step 3. A is 3 over 2, B is negative 3 over 2, and C is negative 3. We need to simplify the right hand side. Bring 2 to the denominator. So we'll get 3 over 2x. For the second term here, note that we have fractions here, but there is no fraction here. Try to equate the denominator for this one. And that will give you negative 3x minus 6 divided by 2. So now we just need to simplify the second term here. Bring 2 to the denominator and try to simplify as best as you can. Note that negative 3x minus 6 can be written as negative 3 times x plus 2. Plus and minus 3 is just minus 3. And hence, this is the final answer of this question.